Are you an entrepreneur or business owner looking for ways to increase the business cash flow? Well, you're at the right place. Go grab your pen and paper, then let's begin.
Bear in mind, conditions apply. All grants have specific deadlines. For more information, please visit our website at www.mycoachministry.com. Scan this QR code now and begin.
All right. So this is another of our funding alerts segment, and we're going to go through this. All right. Let's move. These are ads. So today, first I want to go through the current grant listing for June. Yes, this one first. So I'm going to go through the current listing for June. I'm just going to highlight the different categories that are there, and you can visit the link so you can get all the finer details. So you just go to My Coach Ministry. To get to where the information is for the blog, you go to My Coach Ministry, and then you can either under resources, you can hit funding blog or scholarships or whatever other resources that is there that you may want to benefit from, or you can just scroll down and you'll see it. Yeah, it's right there. So we're going to click the one for June, and then I'm going to share with you the grant fund writing checklist, grant funding checklist. I'm going to share that with you. So I'm just going to run through the grants, and so we have, this is the top 100 grants you can apply for in June 2025. We're pleased, of course, to provide you with these funding opportunities and resources. You are welcome to share this information with your personal and professional networks. We're not affiliated with these organizations, so please direct any specific inquiries to them. And like I said, when you visit the website, all the direct links to the source sites are to the source organizations are there. The contact details are there in the links. This article mentions over 100 grants, resources, and opportunities for global Canada-based and US-based businesses. There are also over 90 additional opportunities in 34 US states and DC, which are kept updated right here on this vlog. So if you scroll down, you'll see all that information. So let's scroll up so you can see hashtag June 2025. And I just want to say happy Father's Day. When it comes, well, when you get this, it would have gone, it would have passed. Yes. So a reminder, if you are awarded a grant or accepted into an accelerator or fellowship, I'd love to know about it, please and thank you. So please email me to share your news, and the email is info@mycoachministry.com, or just go down to the comment section and leave it in the comment section. All right. So first of all, we have global funding opportunities, and we have over 50 of these, I believe. 20. There are 20 global opportunities, right? And then for Africa-specific funding opportunities, we have 4 of those. And then for Canada-specific funding opportunities, we have 15 of those. And then funding opportunities within the United Kingdom / Ireland, we have 3 of those. And then for funding opportunities within the United States, we have, let's see how many of those we have. 50. We have 50 of those, all right? So all of them are there. And as I said before, for state-specific opportunities within the United States, all you have to do is hit this button right here, Ask Coach, and give us the specific details. For example, like what state are you in? What business are you operating in? What are the customers that you serve? Or what area of business are you in? think about what you're sending us and make sure when you send us the information to do the search, you give us as much detail as possible so we can get the best information for you. And now I want to go to uh, some information I want to share, some tips I want to share with you today. Yes, so it's grant funding. It's our grant funding checklist for entrepreneurs. The 10 essentials to check before you apply. And there's a downloadable copy at the bottom of this. All right, so let's put it right here and let's go through it. All right, so let me find it. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, so this is the top 10 essentials to check before you apply, because smart money follows smart prep. You've got the vision, you've got the hustle. Now you're eyeing grant funding to level up your business. Before you start chasing down dollars, make sure you've got your strategic ducks in a row. This checklist will help you avoid rookie mistakes, stand out from the noise, and actually win the money. So let's go. Number one, mission match. Are you speaking their language? For example, have you researched the funder's mission? Does your business or project clearly align with it? Can you explain the connection in one sentence? Pro tip: if it feels like a stretch, it is a stretch. Move on. Number two, eligibility. Are you even in the game? Do you meet all the funder's basic requirements? For example, for profit allowed, sector specific. Are you located in a supported region? Is your business structure eligible? For example, LLC, sole prop, etc. Don't waste time applying for money that can't legally go to you. Number three, crystal clear objective. Can you define exactly what you need the funding for? Is the purpose tied directly to growth, innovation, or community impact? Can you pitch it in one sentence? If your idea is fuzzy, your application will be DOA, dead on arrival. I learned that from the movies, The Closure. I think it's The Closure I learned it from. Yeah. Okay, number four, show impact, not just activity. Can you describe the measurable results of your project? Do you know how you'll track progress? Can you prove your business will be stronger because of the grant? Think, how will your business, customers, or community change for the better? Number five, bulletproof budget. Have you built a line item budget tied to your goals? Are all costs justified and realistic? Do you include any required co-funding or in-kind contributions? Numbers tell your story too. Make them sharp and smart. And we'll stop there for today. Oh my goodness. I hope and I hope and I hope that the information we shared with you today was very, very useful. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with us. Staying with us. Awesome. All right. Now, so we've come to the end of another program, and it was such a pleasure for me to share this with you today, be with you today. It is my hope that the information that was shared was useful. It is my hope that as we move through our life and our this journey called life, that it will be fulfilling for us. It is my hope that whatever I do here on this program will add and edify your life. It will it will empower you. It will empower you to have an even better life. You know what I mean? It is my hope that it contributes to better life outcomes for you, that it's a means of support, that you can feel supported when you come here. And if in any case you feel as though my thoughts, my opinions, whatever I'm sharing, is obstructing your empowerment or your growth, please leave it in the comment section, but please be specific. Let me know exactly what the issue is and how you feel I could do better. Don't just tell me what I did wrong. Let me know how you feel I can correct what I did wrong, right? So that I can have clear thought, clear idea as to where you're headed, so I can better support you and I can better check myself. You know what I mean? Because if you're pointing out a problem, maybe I'm not aware of the problem. So tell me clearly, define the issue, and then please propose some possible solutions. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you so much for spending time with me. You did not have to. There are many options out there, but you chose to be here in this moment with me right here and supporting me. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. May you have the best day. May you have the best day today. Bye. And I'm Coach Raquel, by the way. I'm Coach Raquel, and you were just watching Refresh, Relax, Renew, Season 2, Episode 1. Thank you so much. Bye. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and it is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.